You're kind of grabbing me sort of hard there.
You're refusing.
That sort of hurts.
You're refusing.
That sort of hurts.
You're refusing.
I don't think I want to do that.
You're refusing. Really?
I don't think I want to do that, sir. I don't trust you.
Two Adam full force. Start me another unit.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Once again, great to see you. If it's your first time here and you enjoy this type of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell for future notifications. Today, I'm doing this video for Quokka, who's out putting in mad work and exposing tyrants. Get over to his channel, like, share, and subscribe. Link is in the description. Let him know in his comment sections. News Now Ninja sent you. Here we go.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Something they can help you with here?
Oh, no.
Okay. Because I can't see your face.
That's all right. You can see my face. Please don't touch my stuff again.
All right.
You just touched my monopod.
All right. Well, they don't want you in this area, okay, here?
In the area? Like,
because you're harassing the customers, so.
how am I doing that again?
By recording them?
That's harassing?
Yes.
Yeah,
they
it's kind of
consider
not.
harassing.
It's very clearly not. So.
Okay. Well, is there any reason why you're doing this right now?
Well, yes.
Okay. Would you care to tell me about it?
Nope.
Can I take a picture?
Oh, well, sure. You can go ahead and take a picture.
Okay.
I'm just creating privacy for myself.
Okay. So, do you have some ID on you, sir?
What's your name and badge number?
It's Raina 40364.
Thank you.
You have some ID on you, please?
I may.
May I see it, please?
Absolutely not. Why would you ever need to see my ID?
Well, because these people have, I guess, have called and complained about you before.
Wait, no, that's not a reason to see my ID.
Well, yeah, because
Well, no.
if we find there's reason to arrest you, then yeah. So.
Well, if there's reason to arrest me, that's still not a reason to see my ID.
Okay.
Sir, you don't have our consent.
Okay, I don't have their consent.
So.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
Yes. 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 But you're filming into a private area. That's why it's covered like this.
Yeah, so there's cover to create privacy. So I guess they're all set.
So, no, but you're recording them. They want you recording any voice recording that sort of thing like that.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
I understand that.
Okay, just like you like me taking your picture, right?
Well, it's not that it's not so much
Right.
that I don't want you taking my picture. It's
Okay.
that I was making a point about creating privacy. If you need
Okay.
it. If they need privacy, then they've made a step toward creating that.
Okay.
If it's not working, that's not my fault.
What's going on?
You talking to me?
Yeah. I was just saying hi.
Really? Just saying hi?
Yeah. Abandoned bag. Is this anyone's bag? You know, you've been recording. Can you just don't get right up in my face, sir?
Don't get right up in my bag, sir.
Is this your bag? Okay. I didn't want somebody's abandoned bag to be here. That's all.
Sure.
Okay. So that's your bag. We've established that.
We've
Mr.
also-
Bibbikoff, you have a wonderful day.
Fuck you.
Hey, come on.
You're a piece of shit.
Wow.
Yes, you are a piece of shit.
Mr. Bibbikoff, you have a wonderful day.
I might do that. I probably will. You think that's funny, huh? You know my name. Power. You got power, right? Because you know my name and you can say it. What other kind of power do you think you have? What's your name and badge number?
Winograd 36819.
Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
So are you...
What's your name? That's kind of rude to have me introduce myself.
Again
and
with the opinion.
Yourself.
Opinion's not your job. Okay?
Call it common courtesy.
Yeah, that's not your job either.
Okay.
Your job is law enforcement.
Yeah.
Did you realize that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
For the past 25
So
years.
what
yeah.
law are you enforcing right now?
I'm not enforcing any law.
I'm not enforcing any law. I'm not enforcing any laws.
I'm just asking
Yeah,
you
right.
to have a sense of decency.
Exactly. Not your job. Period.
As a
not
human
your
being.
job.
Am I a human being?
Not your job.
Am I a human being?
Not your job.
Are you a human being?
Well, I don't know. But anyway, the real deal.
Oh, wait. Is that an opinion?
So what we're talking about here is this.
Answer the question.
So
is
this
it an
is
opinion? I wonder how you'd like it if you were struck by a car and somebody videoed you.
I'd be fine with that.
You'd be fine with it?
I would.
Okay. Well, you're a better person than most people.
I don't understand what the issue is that people have with that. I'd like all the documentation from every angle I could possibly get if I was in an accident.
Okay. And the purpose of this is what? Documenting
The
what?
purpose of this is you
Get your finger out
and
of
your
my face.
behavior. Your face is like 3 feet from my finger.
Your finger was within 1.5 feet of my face.
Okay, 1.5 feet. Is that too close?
Yeah, that is.
Okay. So you could step back.
Yep, so could you.
Yeah, but I'm just here.
I'm here protecting a possible scene.
Okay. This right here?
No, that right there.
Oh, okay.
We've already had this discussion.
So you're protecting it from the line of sight from a public space?
Yeah.
I'm here documenting public officials in the course of their duties and the scene that's happening at the State Department of Economic Security office. So I'm in a public access area.
He has the right to ask you to leave.
No, he doesn't.
I think so, huh?
I don't, no.
Travis 44.
I mean, he can ask me to leave, sure.
You'll see an ID. I need to see an ID. I need to see an ID.
Look at your own.
I'm code 4, but I need to see you for your car. This man is asking you to leave.
I understand that. Do you understand my
Are you
response?
refusing? Are
Do
you
you-
refusing? Are you refusing? Are you refusing?
Do you understand my response?
Are you refusing?
I am
Yes or
not
no?
refusing.
Then leave.
Do you understand?
Then leave.
You leave.
You're going to be arrested unless
Am
you
I?
leave.
For what?
For trespassing.
Really?
Yeah.
On public property?
Uh-huh.
On public property.
Uh-huh. Why don't you take that mask off?
Hold on, partner. Hold on.
Hey, you do not touch me.
He wants to talk to you.
I would like you to let go of me.
You put your hands on the wall.
So you're either gonna let go of me,
No.
or you're gonna arrest me right
yes,
now
I
for
am.
trespassing.
I am. Yes.
Actually, I want you to call your supervisor. I'll
put
wait
your
right
hands
here.
behind
I'll
your
wait
back. No.
right here.
Put your hands behind your back. No.
Call your supervisor.
I'm only going to ask you
I
again.
am no threat. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
I have.
You're passive resisting. I'm telling you, unless you leave, you're under arrest.
And I'm telling you that that's not lawful.
I'm telling you, it is.
That's why I'm asking you to call your supervisor.
He's on his way.
Good. Then
So
let's
now,
clarify that.
no. So now you put your hands behind your back.
I do not believe that that would be necessary, sir.
Yes, I do. I'm
I
giving
don't.
you an order to put your hand. Now, unless you want to
Make
be
sure
arrested for resisting arrest, I suggest you comply.
You can't arrest someone for resisting arrest.
Yes, I can. I'm telling you.
I mean, you can,
I'm
but it's
telling
not-
you, you're
it's
under
not
arrest.
legal.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I'm telling you that that's not lawful.
You're under arrest.
I am not lawfully under arrest.
Yes, you are.
You're mistaken.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you.
No,
okay,
I'm
so
not.
this is why we
No,
want the
I'm not.
supervisor.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
No.
you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so how do we resolve this?
I'll take you to Pima County Jail. That's how we resolve it.
Pima County, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we find out what?
Well, then I suggest you put your hands behind your back.
I kind of don't want to, because I'm not sure
so
what's,
you're refusing.
I'm not sure what's going to happen if I put my hands behind my back. You're already stepped over like several lines.
You're going to be detained. That's what's going to happen.
Okay, so I can be detained.
Yeah, so put
For
your
what?
hands behind your back. For trespassing.
Okay, so is the Department of Economic Security a public office?
This young man asked you to leave. You're refusing.
You're kind of grabbing me
You're
sort of hard there.
refusing.
That sort of hurts.
You're refusing.
That sort of hurts.
You're refusing.
I don't think I want to do that.
You're refusing. Really?
I don't think I want to do that, sir. I don't trust you.
Two out of 4-4. Start me another unit.
That's fine. I will wait here calmly.
No, you're going to be in handcuffs.
I will wait here calmly.
You're going to be in handcuffs.
I will wait here calmly.
Handcuffs.
Calmly.
You're under arrest.
I understand.
So put your hands behind your back.
I understand that you feel that I'm under arrest.
Put your hands behind your back.
I will follow all of your lawful orders.
Then put your hands behind your
I
back.
am not resisting a lawful arrest.
Put your hands behind your back. Yes.
No. I really wish you would take that mask off.
Take
Put
yours
on a
off.
different one.
Put yours on. Take yours off.
Why? You don't like Paisley?
Fixing to be a whole bunch of us here in a minute.
That's better.
And then you're going in
Because my
handcuffs.
odds are better that
Then you're
way.
going in handcuffs.